Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can use this chat GPT AI tool to actually write cool articles for you. Like if you are writing articles for any website, or if you have your own website, you can use the help of this cool tool. So you will ask from it like this one: write me a 200 words article on on New York. Let's suppose you are writing an article on New York and you want this in 200 words. Then you will ask from it like this, and then you will click on enter. Now it will write an article for you in just 200 words. You just have to sit and watch him do his work. So now as you can see that our article is completed, so we will just copy this article from here like this one, and then you can, let's suppose that this is my web page, and then you can come here and you can just paste this article over here. Now it's not 100% right, like you can check this for any type of mistakes, but this will surely do the 99% of your task. Okay, like you don't have to sit and think about anything. You just have to come over here and you just have to type what you want. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.